Alright, well, welcome to the very first trading video recap here. So, going into the morning, I'm thinking this is very bullish here. Um, I marked out the highs and lows for the sessions, and in my opinion, I think it wants to bounce off either the low or the high here, and then do a reversal off of that. So currently it's 9:30. We're just sitting around here.
Order filled.
I was on my demo account making some, demo account, but here, it's looking like it's gonna push through here. That was a high. I didn't mean to move everything. Oh. Oh yeah. So this looks. Oh wow, it's looking nicer. Look here. So right now, what I'm looking for here: liquidity sweep, break a structure to the downside, possibly an order block or fair value gap, and then 1 minute entry would be ideal. Then target the lows. So I believe this is also Asia lows. I didn't mean to remove it, but it's okay. Just put it back then. Gee, I don't even want that there. You know where London ends. Okay, yeah, so right now it's looking very promising here. At this point, you really just gotta wait here. I mean, today's looking very bullish in my opinion. I mean, I don't know. It's hard to take a short here, but it's looking like I'll be taking one. Especially if this sweeps here, and wait for confirmation. If not, I could also look for entry long. But we'll see. Well, I don't know if the market really wants to take that out here. Trying to think. Ideally, let's say the liquidity sweep comes, and you take the short off of like break a structure and stuff. Target would be there, and this low, which would be a very nice trade. But the question now is, do I see it retracing down all the way back to the previous low? Maybe, because then I could sweep off of that and just keep, you know, filling the fair value. Because I'm pretty sure we have a huge fair value gap, like somewhere. Like this was a gap that got filled. Oh, maybe it might push through here, actually, because that needs to get filled. We'll see. If there's no sweep here, then long is looking pretty nice. I'm sure we're gonna have a value gap very soon available to our available. We also have an inverse value gap right here, actually, in the 5 minute. Didn't really see that. Break a structure in the 5 minute. Wow, this is looking pretty promising for a long here right now. But once again, I'm going to wait for this sweep here. See what happens. Our break of structure would be, unfortunately, down there. Then at that point, I would put an order block here. Wait for the retrace, enter. But we'll see. I don't know. Does that actually sweep it here? Or? I mean, I guess. But this also could just be the retrace here. This could just be the retrace, and then shoots back up. We'll see. If it pushes past these, I don't know, you might take it. So it's looking very promising in my opinion here. Oh yeah. So we could call that as a sweep, even though it's very like tight, tight. Okay. We're about to break structure here in the 5 minute. Pretty incredible, honestly. I mean, this could just be one big fat chase, but once again, break of structure is right there. All right. You got, what else do you got here? Wow. Price wants to really move down here. So this is also, I'm pretty sure, the order block. The price up before the break of structure to the downside. So realistically, price pushes past his order block, then retraces into it. I will be entering. Just hide this for now. Okay, so on the other chart I'm looking at here, and on my other monitor here, it did sweep it pretty nicely. So it is looking like a short position I'm going to be entering. So I don't know why it's not very prominent here. Oh, you can see it a little bit there. That little peek through. Yeah, it's looking like it's gonna push. I don't know. We'll see. And then realistically, when I enter, take profits. 1, 2, and then the third contract, low key, I just leave it and see where she goes, and move my stop loss up meter. It would be very nice if this candle closed below right now in the next 20 seconds. Just, it's not to wait another 5 minutes here for confirmation, but it's alright, I guess. Yeah, I see it, bro. I see the script. I know the script. Maybe a little candle wicks up, and then just. I'm trying to think that also might have hit the order block here. If it pushes through, I don't know if that would really count. I hope I'm actually doing these order blocks right. Before the break of structure, the move up, or the move before the big drop. Yeah. So looking like it. So this could be a potential entry here. Yeah, I think that's gonna start doing it for me. Might enter. Might enter off this. Oh, that did break structure. What am I saying? Oh no. I was blocking a Wix. Oops. So realistically here, price doesn't push up too much here, I'm going to be entering. Just want to see where the order block it goes. See if it gets equilibrium here. That would be nice if it hits equilibrium. But I am ready to enter a short here, 100%. I actually would love to see it shoot up right now. Hit equilibrium. And then buy it at the premium and short it major. But look, it's just doing what I'm thinking here. It's making that big ass Wix. Loki just retracing here. So let's leave this equilibrium thing here for now. See if she hits. From what I'm seeing, it's in the order block. It's not pushing too much. She could just be a little small retrace for the dump. But I would actually love to see it hit equilibrium here. Yes. This could be perfect. This also could just be this could have just been the retrace for the major pump coming here. So, because they never broke structure, remember that. So let's see. Oh yeah, it's above. It's a sweep. Okay. It's not pushing as much now. I know it's hard to kind of see here, but in the 1 minute, it actually has not broke structure to the upside yet. It's still in a downtrend here. I don't know, but I really like how this is going here. If the candle closes actually in the 1 minute above, it would also be nice to enter along here. Yeah, so that is looking like it's pushing through. But hey, well, it's still early here. Let's give it some time. Okay, so wow. It just pushed through that. Once again, I don't know what's going on here. But now I'm thinking of a long. Because I did think originally it's very bullish today anyways. But hey, listen. I don't know. Could also just drop right now. That should be pretty funny. Because it's not really pushing. Honestly, what I'm going to do is if it breaks structure on the 5 minute here, past this high right here, I will enter just off of that alone because you have an inverse value gap at this point. And Also, there's small retrace. It didn't break structure on the 5 minute, and it went back up. And it looks like it's, I don't know actually. Might dump. Lower high. So the 2 points I'm really looking to buy now is 5 minute breaker structure here, 5 minute breaker structure there. I am thinking it's very bullish today, so it might be a long. Oh crap! Target liquidity. Yeah. Okay. Going to be looking for, I guess, a long here. Unless it's a generational candle down right now. Don't see how it would go into short. Okay, 5 minute breaker structure right there. Order block would be here, I guess. So if it pushes past this price, yeah, this is it. This is gonna be it. If she pushes past 5 minute, closes there the next minute, then retraces into the order block, I will be entering off the order block. Yep. Alright. So it's through. So get ready for my entry here. I mean, it still hasn't closed, but I have a very confident feeling it's not going to close. 1 minute breaker structure as well. Also, 1 minute value gap. See if that taps into there, and the order block would be very nice. Once again, is it closing above? 1 more minute to tell. I'm getting ready to enter here. It's showing price wants to move up a lot. Okay, 1 minute left here. Love to see small retrace. Stop loss will realistically be maybe below the order block. That's kind of big though. I don't like that. We'll see in the 1 minute actually. Maybe below this. I like this. That would be a stop loss. 30 seconds once again. Uh-oh. This could be the touch though that brings it into the order block. Yeah, and maybe the fair value gap would be nice. Come on, a little more. Double confirmation, confluence here. Small little retrace. Does have 18 seconds to finish above though, or else my idea has changed. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? It is gonna hit the fair value gap too. I might just take it anyways. Oh no, maybe not. Let's see. No way. No way. No way. What's going on? This would be a nice retrace, just. Is there gonna be an inverse value gap on the 1 minute here? What's going on? Kind of lost right now. I don't know why it's going up, down, you know. It's going to break eventually. Just gotta be patient here. Very interesting what it's doing this morning. Hey, are you serious right now? Where does this price want to go? I believe up, but once again, there's realistically no confirmations here of an entry. Higher highs, higher lows. So if it retraces here, I think you just enter. But now I also gotta wait for this rate structure, correct? Of course. Of course. This is, I don't even know what's going on here. This is all over the place. Like, oh, man. Oh, my God. Give us something here. Nothing on the 5 minute until we break structure to the upside. It's in the order block. Maybe inverse or value gap potential right here would be nice. Shows more. Yeah. Okay. 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 How long? 1 minute. If it somehow does a generational pump, closes above this, I will be entering. Oh my gosh. Is this finally it? Is this finally it? Okay, so it's not stop edge maxing here. Let's this just please. Oh wait, the heck? Get this order block out for now. That's it right there. Oh my gosh. If it finishes above and it touched, oh my gosh, touched into that, touched into this, touched into the order block that was there previously. 16 seconds, I will be entering. Don't do it. Don't. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Ref. 2 seconds. Come on. Oh my gosh. Enter.
Order filled.
Okay, I entered here. So, broke structure. Order block. Touch earlier. Bang. Okay. Long position. Off that. Stop loss, I'm going to set. I don't even know, to be honest. 1 minute. Let me switch to 1 minute here. Wow.
Order filled.
And I just got stopped out. Wonderful. So, it's unfortunate. Got stopped out instantly. I think my mistake there was the 1 minute. So, Wow. So I just lost somehow $1,000, 1,900. Great. So the funded's almost gone, but I think the mistake was not this right here. So let me try and re-enter with one contract here, because
Order filled. Order filled.
um wow. So funded's gone. Oh. Let's go to the practice here and let's enter after practice, because it's gonna
Order
go up.
filled.
Stop loss below there. And take profits. Alright, try this again on demo here. Ah, wow, the same thing happened to me in my real one right there. Just dumps the second I click enter here. What's my mistake? I don't fully know yet. Maybe the 1 minute confirmation of the breaker structure to the upside would be probably more confirmation here. Wow, so on the demo here, we're down 2,000, but stop loss is below this. Okay, take profits here. Wow, one right there. One there. One there. One there. Honestly, with this price action, I should not have entered there. But I don't know. It broke structure in the 5 minute. I guess I could have waited for the breaker structure in the 1 minute to not get stopped out here. Going to hit stop loss too, probably on the demo account here.
Order filled.
Wow. So it's just, it's one of those days. It's a loss right there, but. What I'm thinking is, if I made this mistake of entering right off that, or should I wait for the 1 minute breaker structure? Probably should have came in here, because look, we just broke structure to the downside. It's this 1 minute downtrend now. If it breaks up, this is where we would have entered off of. So let's just see, even though. Yeah, the demo trade now, because. Oh, it sucks. It's gonna be unfortunate if it bumps here, because if I didn't get my stop loss, but stuff happens. It's a learning curve. So I'm going to get to the demo account here again and look to enter off this 1 minute break of structure. It's looking nice. But I said that once again earlier. So I definitely think my mistake was the 1 minute here. I saw the 5 minute break of structure, didn't wait for the retrace back to the order block. Entered off of this right here and it dumped. Okay, so once again, look, it's just a shit day. Didn't break structure in the 1 minute still. Okay, well, there she goes.
Order filled.
I don't even know why
Order
it
filled.
just entered me off of that, to be honest. Limit buy by accident was set there. Didn't mean to do that. Okay, I got it. I mean, I do think it did break the structure in 1 minute, hopefully.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm gonna enter for real now. So I did enter off. It's on the demo account once again. Stop loss will be below there. Right below. And then same take profits as before. Let's hit it. Limit sell. Hey, wow, like this is gonna be it, of course. Maybe not, of course not. Let's see where she goes now. Only up, I guess. Of course, now it's pumping. Love to see it. I was right. Just look, I got emotional and I was fearing I was gonna miss out the trade, so I entered here, and of course, get stopped out minus 2K here. And then after the 1 minute break of structure, that's when I should have entered, which I just did. And what do you know? Yeah, what do you know? I'm up $2,000 ready. Take profit one's right here. Oh, are you kidding me? You know, if I only waited. There you go. Lesson learned. Yeah. Okay. It's take profit one. This will be take profit two. Get rid of this. Bunch of this crap. The only thing you need really is take profits, and stop loss is set right here. Very close to take profit here. Frag, what mistake by me, man. That just costed real money right there, that mistake. Once again, frig me. It's literally, it's very close to my stop loss. Just push, come on. Or not stop loss, take profit, whoops. Don't be that guy, come on, just push. It's at a resistance level, I think. Come on. Come on. We can hold this off still. Oh. It's hit. Oh my gosh. Of course, right before the first take profit, but bias has not changed. It's gonna go up. I know it's gonna go up. Yeah, it's just a small retrace here. It's gonna pump. Take profit's gonna be hit. Then as soon as it hits hit, I will move my stop loss to up here. Of course. What's funny is if I just waited for that 1 minute confirmation there, I would be up right now on my real account. Let's just say, I would have to cash out because there's a limit of how much I can make. So once again, just a bad call, and because of that, I lost money. Gonna have to definitely journal this and reflect off of it. But it does suck. It's funded gone. It's gonna be an unfortunate upload. First day traded, lost funded, but wins the demo. Like, I don't know. It's literally, that's wow. I literally just lost the count because I didn't wait for 1 minute confirmation of a break structure. Like pump right now. I know it. Shit. I entered off the break structure. And what do you know? Stop loss was set negative 2K. Maybe I should have pushed it here, honestly. It's another mistake, stop loss placement. But I don't even know if it would let me because I had 3 contracts in there. So I'm very, very bullish today. But regardless, let's just say I waited for 1 minute confirmation. I would have waited to here. Stop loss would have been, I guess, where it was, to be honest. Would have entered and still been up. Same way I am right now, just on the real account. There's the mistake. So, write down the journal. Stop loss placement was one issue. Not having the discipline to wait for the 1 minute. Break a structure. I got in off the 5 minute right away instead of waiting for the retracement. And yeah, money gone because of that. But you live and learn. I just have a feeling the stop loss can get obliterated, so I probably should move it up, but I'm not going to. Wow, wonderful. This was a mistake. I entered off of that. Candle went down, alright. That's unfortunate. So it, right before it hit TP, it decides to dump, but it's fine. Run a 1 minute downtrend, unfortunately. But it is going to go back up. So I don't know how low it's going to go, but when it decides to finally, pump, it's going to blow this, take profit, probably make it halfway, retrace all the way. Just how it works, Confluences are showing it. I definitely wish I hit my first take profit, but only so much you can do. If this keeps pushing to my stop loss, it might be just a horrible losing day here. Yeah, wow. Wow, I will have to learn. I don't even know what to say. Should I have taken this stop loss or take profit rather than this one right here? Not much difference, but would have mattered. Another one's this one or this one. Let's see. Shit. Oh, there's hope. I mean, once again, the only take profit I had was this one. But those two are like, just getting edged. It's not really a take profit though. It's just like first candle up. Anyways, I don't think it's gonna keep going lower. Even though it's in the stop loss territory here, I don't like it, but surely does. I don't even know anymore. I've been so wrong today. It's looking like it's an ant stop loss. Okay, I guess at this point it's gonna put in 2 times speed and see what happens here.
Order filled.
Alright, well, just like that. We're down. I don't even know. I'm gonna call it a day. It's unfortunate. I don't even know anymore. I really don't know. Gonna have to seriously reflect off this one. I mean, if anything, it's just a liquidity sweep on the 5-minute. And risk for value gap. Where's the breaker structure, man? Here, order blocks, right here. Of course, bro, of course. Enters into the order block. And you can take that short right there. And try your previous lows. 1 take profit, 2 take profit, 3 take profit. Well, anyways, I'm not going to trade anymore. I'm going to call it a day. I mean, it's unfortunate, but I guess for the rest of this videos I'll be posting every day, it'll be demo trades until maybe the end of the month. We'll see. Once we feel like I'm winning these trades a lot more, I will then go back to the funded. I don't have the right to be touching fundeds. I don't have the discipline. I should have waited for 1 minute, and even still, I don't even know where everything went wrong. The take profit, the stop loss, just so much shit I got to review after this. Anyways, if you watch this, thanks for sticking around, and peace out.